Hello viewers, I'm happy to have you back on my channel. Hope you are doing fine. I love you. So much love from Lady Jessie to all of you. I want to say thank you so much for supporting me this far, for subscribing to my channel, for the likes, the comments, and it's going to be on how to make bitter leaf soup, Ofe Onugbu. That's in my local dialect, we call it Ofe Onugbu, but in English we call it bitter leaf soup. I'm going to be showing you the ingredients we are using, and the first thing is going to be my pot of meat. I washed my meat and I'm already cooking it. I have my beef, my cow skin, my cow leg. You can choose any meat of your choice. If you like chicken, turkey, anything you like, whatever you feel you are comfortable with, you can use it. That can serve as your meat. This is what I'm going to be using for mine in today's cooking. I'm going to spice up my meat using my Maggi cube. This is my Maggi cube. I'm going to be adding it inside, right inside. I use 3 cubes. The Maggi will make it taste. And I'm going to add my pepper. Since it's a local food, I don't need to use the thyme and other spices. So after adding it, I'm going to be stirring at it. I'm going to stir it so that the Maggi and the pepper will be evenly distributed. After stirring, I'm going to let it cook for some time before adding water. While my meat is cooking, I'm going to get ready. I'm going to prepare other ingredients like my Coco-yam, my Bitterleaf, and pepper, every other thing I'm going to be using to make this soup. If you look closely, beside the bigger pot, I have a small pot. This pot has water inside. I'm going to be cooking my Coco-yam. There are 2 ways to prepare your Coco-yam. Some people prefer to boil it directly without peeling it, while others prefer to peel off the Coco-yam before cooking it. But personally, I prefer boiling directly before cooking it. So whatever you like, whatever pattern you like and you are comfortable with, it is just perfectly okay. Use it. Just as I said earlier, this is my Coco-yam. I'm going to be cooking it directly. I will have to peel it off when it is properly cooked. Add it directly into your hot water. Close the pot for some time so that it will become very soft and tender for you. I'm going to be showing you the ingredient for this food. Hello, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be using to make my bitter leaf soup. Here is my bitter leaf. This is a dried bitter leaf. It was sent to me by my mom from Nigeria. All I did was to boil it for 2 hours. The reason why it was boiled for this long is because personally, I don't like eating bitter leaf soup that has a bitter taste. I know that it varies from person to person. There are people or families that enjoy the bitter leaf soup if it has a little bit of bitterness. But for me, it is the other way around. I'm going to be using my stockfish. I also have my dry fish, as you can see. and my crayfish. Then I have my pepper. This is my mortar. I prefer pounding with my mortar. I don't know why, but it's just my choice. You can also use your blender to do this. This mortar and the pestle will be pounding the red pepper and my crayfish together. While my meat is cooking, I'm going to wash my stockfish properly and add into it. Finally, I'll be using my local spice. It is called Ogiri. In my language, in the Igbo dialect, it's called Ogiri. It gives us a particular taste. It has a particular taste to your bitter leaf soup. I'm going to be using a bit of it. This is just it for now. Here is my cooked coco-yam. It is peeled, and I'm going to be pounding it using my mortar and pestle. You can use your blender to do this. If you are not good at using the mortar and the pestle, just like I am doing, you can alternatively use your blender. You'll get the same results. So watch me as I pound. I'm going to be adding the coco-yam in little quantities. This is my pounded coco-yam. I'm going to be adding it straight into my meat pot. Okay, look at the way it is, the way my meat is looking. The meat is now tender. The meat is now tender, so I'm going to add the coco-yam. I'm going to let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. I like leaving it open at this point. According to my mom, she says it's going to make your bitter leaf soup to get thicker than usual. So I'm going to leave it this way while I'll be pounding the crayfish. This is the way it's going to look. I'm going to be testing it to know if there are things I should be adding. It's so yummy. So we are going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. The pot next to the meat pot has my bitter leaf. I am boiling my bitter leaf for the past 2 hours. The reason is this. I told us before now that I like eating bitter leaf soup that has a less bitter taste. Others may like it bitter, depending on you. If you like it bitter, you can boil it for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. But me, it is compulsory that I boil for 2 hours. In this case, I'm going to be having a less bitter taste, okay? Hope you're enjoying this video. Please stay tuned. This is my palm oil. I'm going to add it gradually and stir till I get the exact color of what I want. The soup is so yummy. Finally, I'm going to be adding my bitter leaf, my cooked bitter leaf. It's so hot. I'm going to be adding it into my pot. The quantity of the bitter leaf you are adding depends on the quantity of the soup you are making and how you like it. This thing is not, I can't give you a particular size to use because it depends on how you want the soup to look like and to taste. I prefer adding little bitter leaf while cooking. Hello guys, we have come to the end of how to make a bitter leaf soup known as Ofe Onugbu. This is how it looks like, See you in my next video. Hello, please. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're already subscribed, you're also welcome. Please, for those of you who are watching my video for the first time, please like, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and turn on your notification button to get more of my video. See you.